Hi everyone, welcome to my channel. Today we're going to learn how to get RTMP stream key and stream URL from YouTube. So you're going to go to navigate to YouTube. You're going to click on create. You're going to click on go live. If this is your first time, then you will see such a screen that they need some time to identify that you're over 16 based on the new rules of YouTube. And then we'll continue after this period. Hey guys, so this is the next day. We click on go live. This time you will see this, and then we'll say schedule one for later. It's a streaming software. Okay. Okay. Then you will click on here and then stream, and then you will have stream setting, and then you'll have stream URL and backup server URL. Okay. And then you can copy any of these and also, of course, your stream key. And this is how it's done.